Wait and see.
Welcome back to Wait and See. I'm Brian here with Erica, and today we're breaking down how Rust and Delta Lake power a quadrillion token gateway.
That's right, Brian. This launch flips the switch from chaotic AI calls to a single, secure gateway.
Wait, what? The gateway sits between your app and models like ChatGPT 5.5 and Llama 4.
Oh, 100%. It routes every token through a Rust proxy that enforces policies on the fly.
Right, and Delta Lake stores every token count for audit and cost tracking.
No way, Brian. Smart routing can drop model costs by up to 40% without code changes.
Exactly, Erica. Let's break down how the gateway rewrites your workflow.
Oh, the first step is swapping your direct API endpoint for the Unity AI Gateway URL.
Wait, the gateway then inspects each request, matches security tags, and selects the cheapest model that satisfies the prompt.
Right, and if the primary model hits a rate limit, the proxy automatically falls back to Llama 4, keeping your pipeline alive.
No joke, the token level ledger lives in Delta Lake, so you can query total tokens per project in seconds.
Exactly, the cost report updates in real time, letting game studios cap daily spend before budgets blow.
Look, the gateway also enforces role-based access, so only authorized services can trigger high-cost models.
Good point, Brian. The Rust core runs at native speed, handling hundreds of thousands of requests per second without a Java layer.
Let's dive into a concrete example. A developer runs gateway start config.unity.yaml and the proxy spins up in under 15 seconds.
Oh, 100%. Then they issue a curl command. Curl xpost teach tpls/gateway-to-bricks.com or v1 functions d model the ChatGPT 5.5 prompt generate quest intro, and the gateway logs the token usage.
Right, every token is written to Delta Lake as a Parquet entry, enabling fast analytics with Spark or SQL.
No surprise, the proxy can also trigger a fallback. If ChatGPT 5.5 returns a rate limit error, the request is resent to Llama 4 automatically.
Look, the fallback happens in milliseconds, so your game loop never stalls waiting for AI output.
Exactly. The gateway lights a green indicator on the control panel when the request succeeds on the primary model, red when a fallback occurs.
Now, why does this matter for game developers? Your content pipeline can call the gateway for dialogue, lore, or item names, and you get cost-controlled output instantly.
Right, and because the gateway logs every token, you can build internal teams per token, turning AI spend into a measurable KPI.
No way, the smart routing also ensures you stay within model-specific safety policies, preventing profanity or disallowed content from reaching players.
Exactly, the Rust proxy validates responses against the policy file before forwarding them to the game client.
Look, you can query Delta Lake for token use per level and adjust your prompts to stay under budget.
Right, the token icon floating above a controller shows how each player interaction translates to a tiny cost slice.
To sum up, the Unity AI Gateway gives you a single Rust-fast control plane, token-level accounting in Delta Lake, and automated fallback routing, all without rewriting your application code.
Full guide with code snippets and link references is in the description, so you can spin up your own gateway today.
Hit that subscribe button, and we'll keep cutting through the AI noise together.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.